So, during my mom's birthday, she brought me here, but I really wasn't paying attention to where it was exactly. But all I do know was that it was an amusement park. But that was it, because I was just watching my phone. Eventually, she brought me inside this white house or building, whatever it is, and then she brought me out to the backyard, and then I eventually saw this.
What is this? I went here, and I never knew they had a miniature railroad here. It looks like an EMD, ERF unit. This is something I never knew I could Railfan. What? I don't know where I'm at right now, but I'll put it as a link in the description if I know what this place is. Apparently, I forgot to record the horn. It sounded like a car horn, but I still wanted to catch it. We're getting to the Bay Beach Depot. Oh wow. This is cool. Okay, I don't want to be like this. All these seagulls, what are they here for? Rail fanning too. This is a cool view.
I think it kind of came down the front.
Got people here grilling hot dogs, I bet. I don't really want to record people. People don't want to have their face on camera. Yeah, that's the loop. It goes around those trees, I bet. Oh hey, there's a beach here.
Yeah.
I don't think it's good to swim here though. It's like a bunch of rocks. Hey.
Oh yeah, here's
Imagine living there. You know, that locomotive looks more cleaner than the real one. Apple. Probably.
I don't see anything in there.
Yeah, it's too dark in there. This thing is so small too. It's goofy our train, man. Hey. Man, where's the view?
This is what we found in the storage room, by the way. It was either this one, or they're probably just the same, because they're just repainted. They also had a Santa Fe warp on it, but for some reason, it looks like that. It doesn't even have the rounded bulldog nose that the F7s are known for. This is the design I'm talking about. But I'm pretty sure they have the reasons, because people would have to sit in the cab, so that's why they had the design like that, compared to just sitting at the back of the locomotive. They also have another F unit in the Wisconsin Central paint scheme, which is pretty cool, I guess. So, I would say they are a big fan of EMD, like me. They also had an American 440 steam locomotive, which is pretty cool, I guess. And they also had whatever this is, but like low-key, is this real arrangement like a real thing or whatever? To be honest, I don't know where these locomotives went, because we did ask the workers there if they had any more trains, but they said they only had 2, which was the red EMD F7 and the blue one. They might have sold some of the locomotives to other amusement parks, but I feel like they still have some stored, awaiting operation at their next railroad, which I heard they're gonna be expanding. I also know for a fact that you can help them expand the railroad by donating to them. And I think they're trying to reach $1 million and to 150,000 more. Either way, if you ever get the chance to go to that amusement park, you should definitely take it, because I heard that it's the cheapest amusement park in America. Maybe, I'm definitely not sure if it is or not, but it definitely is cheap, so you should definitely go there. It's very affordable.